Hi, today we had to deal with blocked toilet. Customer called me and said they have a blocked toilet. You can see that branch up there, that angled part of the black soil pipe coming into the soil stack. That's where the toilet is. And there's some seepage down at the ground level. There's an inspection chamber or manhole right next to it, and that soil stack does not discharge there. It's actually connected to the main run somewhere underneath the driveway without any means of access. Now the main culprit for that would be that massive rose bush. That root starts right next to that soil stack. There it is, and it's massive. You could have seen it goes all the way up to the roof line. Now I picked up around with a scraper, and there's some bits of root came out from the clay pipe below, and you can see there that little piece of white root that's actually growing from the clay pipe below out. So there is a breakage within the clay pipe underneath the ground. Now we had to discharge the contents of the soil stack, so we formed a chute out of the old half-round gutter, scored up or weakened up the cast iron downpipe soil stack, and then I'm now trying to break it with a hammer and let content of the soil stack run down the chute into the drains. It is a nasty job, but to do any work on this, you really have to empty that soil stack. There are a few gallons of stuff inside. The chute was okay, but some of the stuff went over it, and it made us actually wash entire driveway and disinfect it with a bleach immediately after the stack has cleared.
That's not bad, I thought.
Sure, happy days.
Alright, I'm gonna try and find.
Nasty stuff. Okay, flush the toilet, mate. By this point we have cleared soil stack from the top down to that chute level, and we will try to clear out part of the stack that is below.
Can you do it a couple more times, please?
By trying to surge flushing and using a drain rods, because if you want to open up that soil pipe, you really want it clear.
You still stuff coming out
stuff
of the
inside,
top, right?
Because you will have that in the digging hole. You'll have all over your tools and driveway, and that's not nice. So first you need to unblock it. My friend is flushing the toilet upstairs and actually pouring some bleach and cleaning solutions down the drain.
It's gonna start raining. Bugger.
Rain, great. That's all we needed now. We are trying to surge wash the lower part of the soil stack. Yeah, but what I'm doing is, well, come downstairs, you'll see it. At this point, I used drain rods with a hook to pick up all the loose roots from the lower part, and then we rodded it down past the bend to clear the lower part of the stack. So the entire stack was clear, flushed with loads of water, and then we could commence with digging, cutting the pipe out and replacing. Rosebush roots have completely encased the clay pipe in the bend.
There's another big root there.
As you can see, the lower section of the pipe, the clay pipe, is fully ram-jammed with roots. I tried to pull them out, hoping it's just on top section, but they would not budge. It's gone too far down, so we'll have to open up and try to find a healthy bit of pipe to rejoin to. That's the point where we realized that that run goes towards the middle of the driveway, and somewhere there underground without access is joining the main run, and you can see there the pipe is just completely full up. That is approximately where the pipe runs under the ground, and that would be too much to dig out, so we have just decided to abandon that route, close it up, seal it up, and then make a new run from the soil stack into that nearby inspection chamber. So this new route will be much shorter, and we already dug out a fair amount of soil for it. We just need to go through the side wall of inspection chamber so we can reconnect in there. As you can see, it's all new underground pipe, long bend, rubber collar on the top, goes through the side wall. We got open-ended bend there. Now we're going to concrete both ends, encase it in concrete, and then encase entire pipe with a shingle. And the job's done.